Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Now that we got all the carpet and tack strips out, I want to do the baseboards next before I start painting or doing any flooring. Instead of ripping them out with a crowbar, I want to see if there's an easier, gentler way so I don't damage any of the drywall. Let's do some research. Okay, I really like this video by Colton Crump DIY. Looks like we just use a piece of scrap to protect the drywall. I might need a razor blade to cut any paint, gently wiggle everything out. Don't think I need to go shopping for any tools. Let's go try this out. Since I'm planning on painting anyways, I've been skipping the utility knife part on making a clean cut, going directly into hammering in the putty plaster knife, putting a scrap here, using a crowbar to gently separate the baseboard. Let's work on the rest of the room. I'm not planning on reusing the trim, so I've been pretty aggressive in pulling them out. I thought this would be a little more difficult or complicated, but pretty straightforward. Video 312 done.